Raja Ramchandra ki Jai. The festival of Diwali is related to the goddess of wealth, means goddess Lakshmi. Money or wealth is needed by everyone for living. If you are a Muslim or Christian, still you need the grace of wealth. No one wants to be poor. That's why it is foolish that Diwali is linked only with the Hindus. Now, the question is how Muslims and Christians celebrate it because mosques and churches doesn't believe in idol worship. In fact, idol worship is more prevalent among Hindus only. Diwali festival can be also celebrated without idol worship. That is by worshipping the goddess of wealth in the form of an element. Let's talk about Muslim first. Just as lamps are lit on the mazars, in the same way, on the new moonlight of Kartik month, seeing the auspicious time, you can light earthen lamps in your place of worship and home and pray to your Allah, which means God. May He keep your family full of wealth throughout the year. And my family should not see the face of poverty. If permission is granted in the mosque, then some lamps can be lit there too, because it is called the house of Allah. In fact, there is only a cognitive difference between Allah and God. There is no difference between adjectives. Now, let's talk about the Christians. You can celebrate Diwali even if you are a Christian. In Christianity, there is no worship of any other idol except Jesus Christ. Therefore, on the auspicious occasion of Diwali, at your place of worship and at home, you light candles instead of a earthen lamp and pray for the prosperity of wealth to your Jesus Christ. If having time and the church pastor allows, some candles can also be lit in the church on the night of Diwali. This message is being used This message is being issued by the Ram Raj administration in the interest of people. Whether you are a Christian or a Muslim, try lightening up the night of Diwali. Surely Lakshmi means wealth will remove your poverty, and this Diwali spread happiness is in the form of sweets to your surroundings as well. Enjoy yourself and with others too. Do tell us your experience. No one should be poor on this whole earth. This is Ram Raj. Jai Sri Ram.